welcome to another video by Stands Auto Repair. Today is another day. Gonna do a little bit of let's see what's going on with this PT Cruiser. I can't even see. When you use your head to hold the hood up so you can get the brace up. All right, so I'm now getting ready to remove the valve cover. This is already loose. All the bolts are up here. I've already done a little bit of work, but let's go ahead and get that point. See, do I got a fast disconnect for the battery? Yes, I do. Oh, if I can. That's right, I put this on because I need the drill out for the other side. Okay. Yep, set that aside. All right, so now there's no power. So then there's a possibility of me of accidentally sparking something. So let me go ahead and get this camera turned around so you guys can kind of watch what I'm doing. Okay. Let's see. If I set you all there, you guys can't see nothing. If I set you all here, yeah, you can vaguely see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I put these in here to keep any critters or bugs getting down in there. If I remember right, wrong size. It's not a 10. Darn it, I thought I was smart. Well, let's see. Do need to pull off the power steering. And okay, so that is a 10. Oh, okay, that's tightening. Oh, whew, about busted my knuckles. Mercy. Yeah, because you're gonna well, when you do the valve cover on these, you definitely have to move the power steering. There's a nut, or kind of like a stud nut right here, that you need. And I do like these little holes. Okay. Probably gonna have to get another bungee cord to strap this one up so I can kind of hold it out the way. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Now I have the right size. Valve cover bolts are 8mm. I was correct. Yeah. Right now I'm just breaking them free. Evidence of a rat or something, because you got a lot of mouse poo around this bolt and a lot of mouse poo in this bolt. Oh boy. And a lot of oil. Alright, let me check the other bolt areas. Need to disconnect your PVC hose. Ooh, this bad boy. Well, needs a PVC. Okay. Then you need to disconnect the hose that goes down to the air box. All right. Clean my key off. Hopefully my phone's not picking up this music in the background. My neighbors get demonetized because of my neighbors. I have no control over that. Oh, almighty. Get this one over here in the corner. Some people say you literally got to take the intake off. You don't. You just need to loosen that bolt in the back so you can pick this up. That's it. That bolt, and then I got two in the center. All right. Okay. Alrighty. There's something in there. A little red, so there's the one part of the clip that goes to the coil pack. Yeah, because the plug's actually broke. Probably gonna have to go to the junkyard and get a new plug, because that could also be a possibility that plug is coming loose, which is keeping the engine from starting because it's not getting any spark. On top of the humongous amount of oil that came off a couple spark plugs when I pulled them out. And there was no oil on the spark plug tubes, wires themselves. Normally, if you got a lot of oil, you're gonna have oil in those. Well, those didn't show any oil. So that means the oil was actually seeping down past the spark plugs. And I also noticed the spark plugs did not have the washers on them. And the kind that was in here comes with washers. So I'm not 100% sure where those washers went, unless they're stuck down in there, which I will look. What I'm doing here now is sometimes you can see if the geez, did I even unloosen that one? No, it's just a little tight. Sometimes you can tell if your valves are bent by pulling your valve cover, and that's what I'm doing without having to take the front end, take the grill and the radiator support off, just so I can get access to the bottom intake bolts. But there's even a lot of oil in the intake, so I'll probably have to take the intakes off and probably spray them down with a bunch of brake clean or whatever to get a lot of that oil out, because we don't need a bunch of oil. Can I use this to unloosen that one? Yes I can. Oh, this one's a little tight also. Oh, yep, we're tight. Oh, can't get a socket in there. Hold this up with my shoulder. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see. Just make sure that bolt is up. Yeah, this one back here in the corner is a little bit more difficult to get to. So that's tightening. We need to loosen. So by the looks of the poop, it was a mouse that was in here, not a rat. Because if it was a rat, the shit would have been a lot bigger. I mean, a lot bigger. And the neon's coming along pretty good. I do have another video that I'm working on right now. Part 8, I believe it will be. This is part 2, if you're curious. Okay. Let me go get something. I totally forgot to get something to pry this up. Okay. Alright. So all I used, a little 10-ounce hammer. I think I got all the bolts. Shall find out. Oh, there's one I did not get. It's over here by the air box. Oh. Okay. What is holding it? Okay, it's the center bolt here. Okay. It's this rear bolt. Oh. Thought I had it, guess not. Okay, got it now. Oh. Try not to tip this because there's a lot of mouse poo on it, which I'll show you. All right, there. See all that mouse poo? Yeah, that valve cover gasket is shot. And so were the grommets. So let's turn this around. All right, block the sun from my eyesight. You know what? A little bit of flashlight. I'm not gonna turn it on. Okay, no washer down in that one. No washer down in that one. That one looks good. That, hold on. Can't see down in that one. So I'm gonna have to go get the light. Woo! Almost dropped the flashlight down the intake. Okay, she looks good. Looks good. That's good. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah, because if there was a lot of oil down in there, that would be coated in oil, and that's pretty clean. And this is the one that I pulled up that literally was saturated. So looking at the valves, they all, from this end, they all look nice and straight. I don't see anything bent. Nothing's loose. So that's all good. It just looks like this, yeah, this valve cover was leaking bad. Along the back, around the front, the sides, definitely around some of the coil packs. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna need a valve cover gasket. I'm gonna have to go in and do some basically get some prices on some parts. I can't talk straight. So PVC or PCV valve cover, grommets, the grommets for the bolts, spark plugs. I already have, should be in the PT Cruiser. Yeah, right there, already got a coil pack with Mopar plugs. That's off of PT-GT. So there's that. I'm gonna go get a rag and lay that over top so nothing gets in there, so I can take that in and give that a good wash. But that is it for this episode. Go get a parts list and get a price and let the owner know, and then go from there. All right, and remember, if it's broke, fix it.